For safety reasons, first cut off the supply of mains power to the old smoke alarm. Remove the old KIDDE alarm by firmly pressing the plastic locking tab, perhaps with a screwdriver, and by simultaneously rotating the smoke alarm a short distance counterclockwise. In some cases, the mains power connector can be extremely difficult to unplug from the smoke alarm. If you did cut off the mains power as step number 1, you could now try to use a thin but sturdy tool to pry one end of the connector loose. Be brave, and let's hope you won't break anything. Now it's time to unbox your new KIDDE KF20 smoke detector. As this alarm is very similar to the old one, we won't be needing these screws, this power connector, these documents, or this plastic frame. You can turn the mains power back on now, or preferably after the next step, which involves connecting the power connector to the new smoke alarm. At this point I already had switched mains power back on, so the green LED next to the test button of the KF20 will light up immediately when the power connector snaps into place. To firmly install the power connector, you could try to press first on one end and then on the other, with your thumbs. Attach the smoke alarm to the plastic base by pushing the KF20 upwards and rotating it clockwise. Remove the protective bathing cap. The KF20 comes with a 9-volt backup battery pre-installed. To activate the battery, remove the plastic strip that was keeping the battery out of circuit. Finally, test the device by pressing and holding the test button for a few seconds.